Hello and welcome to the ORDERS.SX app, the food delivery and takeout app that Saint Martin loves, and for good reason. Order food with a quick and easy online ordering service that will make calling in a thing of the past. In this short video, I am going to show you how to order from the ORDERS.SX app. After you have downloaded the app, links on www.orders.sx. Open the app and choose Delivery if you like your meal delivered, or Pickup for self-pickup from the menu. Then add your address. You can use your current location by clicking on the Use My Current Location button. When you enter your location, please move the map to show place your arrival located, so the driver can reach that exact location. Now save your location. If you do not see any restaurant listed, we currently do not deliver at that location. Now choose the restaurant you would like to order from and select your food from the given menu. Next, click on the Add button. Next, click on the View Order button. Here you can see your order details like what you were ordering, subtotal, delivery fee, and total amount to pay. Now simply click on Order Now button. A page will be open where you have to log in. You can also create an account if you haven't signed in already. For sign up, enter your first name, email address, and password. Now you will be directed to the checkout page where you can update your details like your mobile phone. You can also enter discount coupons if you have them. Confirm your address again. Choose the payment method. Don't forget to tip the driver. 100% of the tip goes to your driver. On the order summary section, you can see your selected food and the total amount that needs to be paid. Now click on Place Order to start your order. I hope you have learned how to place an order from the Orders.SX app. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy your meal.